Hello, to turn on or off mobile data saving on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, all you have to do is simply go into the settings, from here go into the mobile network, and from there we have to go into the data usage. Here is the option data saving, and as we go in there, here is the switch to either enable or disable this option, just like this, as you can see. And also here is the unrestricted apps options, and as we go in there, here you can set up applications which will be not affected by this data saving. So here's also this description that when you have this data saving options enabled, you will be you won't probably get notified since this option is on. So it is recommended to actually set up right here the messages application, for example, or the WhatsApp application, something like this. So they will be actually unrestricted. They will be not affected by this data saving mode.